just quickly before we continue with this episode, if you haven't yet done so, make sure you go watch the previous couple of episodes. You can see up on screen. Make sure you go and see them before coming back to see this to see this episode, just so you have a better understanding of what the series is, and you know yeah. Everybody, good day. How you doing? How is everyone's day going? I'm Josh, and welcome back to another episode on Sydney Train Spotting. Just would like to say that we are going to be driving, as we're going to do a continuation of our series here of mini Sydney Trains 2. Mini Sydney Trains 2 on Roblox. But before we get started, if you would like to donate to me, feel free to donate to me via first link that pops up in description, and you can buy whatever pass you want. That ranges from about 5 Robux to about 10,000 Robux, 1,000. You can see all the options here that you can buy. Obviously, ignore what that is. If you just want to donate just for the sake of it, you can donate for the sake of it, because these passes are just useless at the moment. Yeah, so feel free to donate to me. Today we're going to be driving the apart from that, we're going to drive the Goninan asset. Logged into the game. You can clearly see that we're just awaiting daylight as usual. We're gonna drive Goninan. We're gonna drive our CityRail. We're gonna spawn in with, I think it was, if I remember correctly, we'll do the 4-car variant, since I can't remember what name. Yeah, we'll do the 4-car variant. We'll spawn in. Oh, sorry, I'm pressing the wrong button. I haven't played this game in a while. The only time I would play it is when I'm making videos, otherwise I'm not playing. Just while we're loading in, just a quick factual. The assets are a class of electric multiple units that run on the Sydney Suburban Rail Network, and they ran from 1972 up until 2019. And that's when they started retiring the assets. Well, any assets in general, all the assets were retired by 2020. By the start of 2020, all the assets were retired. First batch, so the assets were retired with the first batch of Morata B sets, in which will be featured in a future video, which is a while away. Yeah, so that was interesting to know that part. So we'll just wait until daylight here. It is 1:37, 1:38 now in game time. So we'll just wait for daylight to arise on us before we continue on with the series. With the episode. Alright. I know you're thinking, what the hell is happening? Okay, just while I was waiting, I pulled myself in, as I normally do, into Central. Let me just switch cab, actually. Switch cab real quick. Look at what has happened. This guy cannot wait for me to depart. It's stupid Tangara decided to just come into the same platform that I'm in. And he's not even fully in, so yeah, that's actually awesome. That's really awesome to know that you've got a heritage train mixed in with another type of heritage train, and that still runs till today. Oh, here he goes. Let's capture this. Oh, it's on its 25th anniversary livery, I'm pretty sure. Well, that was interesting to state. Oops. And there goes our Tangara. Well, that was something interesting. Yeah, we're still waiting on that. Me another one, but this time it's a Waratah. And what's it doing in the CityRail? I did not know that Waratahs were in the CityRail, by the way. But are you kidding me? What the hell, man? What the heck? Oh my. Okay, this has turned into a chaotic. Okay. That is just great. Up and a despawn. On with this video, I don't know. Okay, there's just some annoying noise. Okay, we'll turn this down. We'll turn the sound down. Because I know when I watch back when I'm editing, you can't actually hear me talk. So anyway, after all that chaos, like geez, let's get going with this video. Come on. Maybe I'll turn it up on. Don't worry, we'll have an ASMR soon. Like I always do. Now, thing with the this asset, or with this livery asset, it has no desto board, and it has no high beam lights or whatever they're called. These lights that normally exist at the top here does not exist on these. Some other interesting facts is, let's focus on driving first. We get on with the facts later. Hold on. Oh my, I'm lagging. Just quickly we'll go to Pentagona or whatever it's called, and we'll terminate there, as per usual. Come on, why do I always underkill? I'm always underkilling at these platforms. Either way, it's still made it in. Oops, opened the wrong door. Jesus. This is Rollingford. This stop is Rollingford, guys.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Yes, I know that was a dangerous move. I did not know you could do that. I don't think we need that since we don't have any. Yeah, I know. Anyway, as I was saying, a lot of you'll find that when we go into the actual the other asset that come in from the series 1 series, when I get on with the other assets here that are on this train, in the game, you find that the fluting and the carriage type is different. So what I mean by that is that there's more vents on the other one compared to that, and the other one that has more vents also has fluting here. I think I'm correct in that one. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, somewhat correct. Now, another fun fact here is that when these assets first entered service, they were run by the Public Transport Commission. So, when they first had entered service, back in 1972, they were run by them. Yeah, it was a lot. The last episode was very interesting, where the door on the Chopper C said did not end up closing. And that was this door here, not on this train, but it was on the first carriage. This exact door on the C set. So also you'll find that between the difference of the other S set is that, for example, if we take S28, for example, the one that is run by, is used by the heritage people, sorry, by Hex, so HET, Heritage Electric Trains, they use an S28, which is the only asset to what I believe still operate till today, and actually are the only assets. One fact about them is they have a curved front plus desto board plus um, top beam lights, whereas compared to these ones, it's a flat top, flat front, similar to a case set, but no desto boards, and it's a bit more detailed. Yeah. This is the track I took it early. Yeah. You know what? We're just gonna skip this station as well. It's money, so we'll go head over to the next stop instead. And something you'll find interesting between S sets, K sets, and C sets, they all sound similar in a way, which I'll show you, is this sound. Right? And let me expand also since that sound is something similar they can tell between all three um, silver set types. So just one fact that something they all share. And also they share a similar design as well. So the funny thing is, the trains on these, the motor cars are the driver cars as well. So the driver cars are not only driver cars, but they're also motor cars as well. How you can tell is because of where the pantographs are. You can see that the pantographs are not in the two middle carriages, they're on the outer two carriages instead. So, meaning that these two would be kind of quiet. I think. I'm not too sure how they would sound like. But yeah, that was just another interesting fact to add in there. And let's see how much I really don't even know because I haven't stopped in a while. Stop. Oh, we already made it. Wow. I really should know how to skip already. Whoa, is this gonna be a perfect stop? Yo, it's a perfect stop for once. Honestly, let's go. Perfect stop. We'll do that real quick. And then I'll end the video. So we'll just do the ASMR up until the next station. And then I'll wrap it up at the next station instead. Since I just realized I didn't do the ASMR. So here's the ASMR for you guys. Visual close here. Brake seat. I don't know if this is the throttle. That's the brake. My bad. My bad, gang. My bad.